In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve audio quality in DaVinci Resolve. We will work directly on your existing project using tools built into Resolve so you do not need any extra plugins. On the bottom of DaVinci Resolve, click the Fairlight button to open the Fairlight page. Once it opens, you will see the audio timeline filling most of the screen, with horizontal tracks and waveforms showing the loud and quiet parts of your sound. Above the timeline, there is a meter on the right that will later show green and yellow bars when audio plays. This page is where all detailed sound work happens in Resolve, so if your screen looks like a video editor instead, you are not in the right place yet. Now select the audio clip you want to improve. Click directly on its waveform in the timeline so it becomes highlighted. A selected clip usually gets a brighter outline or a different shade, which confirms that any changes you make will apply only to that piece of audio. If you have several tracks, double-check that you are choosing the correct one, for example your voice track, rather than background music. Many beginners accidentally tweak the wrong clip because the playhead is on one track while another track is actually selected. Next up, you will normalize the audio. Normalizing adjusts the clip so its loudest peak reaches a target level, which makes quiet recordings more usable without crushing the natural dynamics. It does not work like constant compression. It simply analyzes the whole clip once and then raises or lowers it evenly. Right-click on the selected audio clip in the Fairlight timeline. A context menu will appear right next to your cursor with several audio options. Make sure you right-click on the clip itself, not in an empty part of the track. Otherwise, you will not see the menu you need. From that menu, choose Normalize Audio Levels. When you click it, a small normalization window opens in the middle of the screen. This panel usually shows a drop-down for the normalization mode, a target level, and an option to select whether you are using true peak or another method. If this window does not appear, it usually means no clip is selected yet. In the normalization window, choose -1 dB true peak or leave the default settings if they already show that value. True peak looks at how the audio will reconstruct in actual speakers, not just the digital samples, which helps avoid tiny hidden peaks that can cause distortion. -1 dB gives you a little safety margin below full volume, which is helpful if you later add effects, music, or slight boosts. For spoken voice, this level keeps you loud and clear while still comfortable to listen to. Once you have confirmed that setting, click the Normalize button. The window closes and the waveform on your clip changes size immediately, usually becoming visibly taller if your original recording was quiet. You do not need to save anything at this stage. The change is already applied to the clip. If you press play and watch the meters on the right, you should now see stronger green movement and peaks that hover just below the top without hitting the red area. You have now used Fairlight to normalize your audio to a clean, consistent level inside DaVinci Resolve, giving your clip a clearer, more professional sound. If this helped your audio sit better in your edit, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more Resolve tips.